From fresh potatoes to perfectly shaped chips, the Pringle-Style process combines science, engineering, and precision. Pringle-Style chips are famous for their perfect shape, uniform crunch, and smooth texture. But how are these identical chips made from raw potatoes?
The process begins outside the factory, where tons of fresh potatoes arrive daily in large delivery trucks.
The potatoes are transferred to industrial washing drums, where dirt and debris are removed using high-pressure water.
The mashed potatoes are blended with flour, starch, water, and seasoning to create a soft dough.
The potato dough is rolled into thin sheets using precision rollers. These sheets are flattened evenly to ensure every chip will cook at the same rate.
The flat dough pieces are placed onto curved molds. This step creates the iconic saddle shape that Pringle-style chips are known for.
The shaped chips enter hot oil fryers, where they cook for just a few seconds. During frying, moisture is
Each chip batch is monitored using cameras and sensors. Broken chips, irregular shapes, or color. After frying, the chips pass through a de-oiling process to remove excess oil. They are then
The cooled chips move into seasoning drums, where flavors such as salt, sour cream, or barbecue are evenly applied.
Stacks of chips are placed into cans, sealed with lids, and labeled. Each can is checked for weight,